Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am coming at you guys with another haul, and today's haul is from Romwe. Now I got a lot of suggestions on my previous haul videos that I've done to do either a haul from Romwe or Shein, whatever, whichever it's called. But when I was deciding which one to do, I figured out that they're pretty much like the exact same, except Romwe is like a few dollars cheaper. And I genuinely mean they literally have the exact same products. So I don't know if they're run by the same company or what is going on there. So of course, since Romwe was those a few dollars cheaper, I of course decided that was where I was going to do my haul from. So I went on and may have gone a little overboard with buying items to show you guys because I genuinely liked a lot of the clothes that they had. A lot of the stuff was in my style, and I am just so excited to show you guys everything today. So without further ado, let's get into it. So these were the two packages that came full of my items. Let's start with this smaller package and open up the incision a little bit more. All right, so firstly are these jeans. Oh, there is a scent coming out of this bag. There always is from these cheaper clothing companies. A lot of you guys actually commented telling me that the reason there's a scent is because everything has been like packaged and packed up for so long that it's just the smell. So I'd like to think it is that instead of like, you know, something bad. And the first item, oh wow. Oh wow, are these jeans that really smell. Wow. These literally smell like if you go to an indoor swimming pool, like I used to do swimming lessons when I was younger, literally smells like those kind of places. That's how bad it smells of chlorine. But these jeans look to be very cute. So I got a pair of jeans that are covered in pearl embellishments that also have like ripped details, and then right down the very bottom there is also a rip. I've wanted a pair of jeans like this for so long because I saw a pair on Pinterest and loved them, and when I saw these for such a cheap price I knew that I had to have them. But let's try these on and see what they look like on and if they fit. Okay, so these are what the jeans look like on. As you can see, they fit really well on my legs, which I'm so happy with, and they genuinely look so nice, which I love. The only bad thing is of course the smell, because it literally stinks of chlorine in here. But apart from the smell, like these have turned out really well. It's rare to get a pair of jeans that fit me well lengthwise, and these actually fit perfectly lengthwise, which is awesome. So I'm really happy with these. Okay, the next item is also in a plastic bag. Okay, so I ordered this. Wow, this looks so nice. So I ordered this white crop top because I thought it would go really nice with my white denim skirt and just like a jean jacket. But I love this. This looks really cute. Wow. And it's really not that see-through actually. I thought it was gonna be so bad. It has lining and everything. This is really impressive. This also doesn't smell, which is good. And the main issue I find on crop tops is that the straps aren't attached on properly. But on this one, they're attached really well and aren't coming off anytime soon, as you can see there. So wow, I am impressed with this so far. So let's try it on and see how it goes. Okay, so this is what the top looks like on, and I love it. I struggled to get this on and I thought it was really tight until after I put it on, I realized it actually has like the zip here on the side. So that was my fault, but I really love how this looks. It's pretty well made. Like it's good, it has good coverage as well. Like, so I don't look like I'm just walking around with a bra on. I really like this. So I paired it with a denim skirt, and I was thinking that when wearing this top out, I'd pair it with a denim jacket too. So this would be the look that I would wear, and I am so happy with how this top looks. It's literally such a gorge bralette, and I'm very happy with how it turned out because it was so cheap, yet it looks like all the expensive brand bralettes. I kind of don't remember what this is. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's a dress. Oh, I remember what this is. Oh, I just got so excited. So I have been on the crusade for a little black dress for quite some time. This is what it looks like. Looks like a black plain dress. First impressions is that in my AliExpress video, the reason it didn't work is because it had quite pointy hips, and this one doesn't seem to, which is great, but it is not double lined. So I feel like after I wash this, it's gonna become quite see-through. But I mean, so far it looks to be pretty good. I'm actually thinking of making an entire video where I buy a bunch of little black dresses from all cheap sites and see which one is the best. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that, because if this doesn't go well, I'm gonna keep buying some, so I may as well make a video out of it. So I think I may have just finally found a cheap little black dress that is nice, and that is this one right here from Romwe. Now, with all the other little black dresses, my main issue is that they are see-through, but so far that doesn't seem to be a problem. Now, the straps were really long when I got them, so I had to do a little makeshift knot right there, but apart from that, I'm like really happy with this. It feels really nice. It is definitely a tight bodycon dress. It like hugs me very tight, but I really like this, and I am very, very happy with how this has turned out. This next accessory I was so excited for, so I really hope it's good, and it looks to be pretty damn good. Okay, so I ordered this rhinestone belt. Now, is this not literally everything? I love it so, wow, so much. So this is the belt buckle. So cute. And this is what the belt looks like. Like, this is the detailing, and it's literally gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. And the only thing is this little the part of the belt buckle here, I don't know what it's called, this like strappy thing is really loose. Like, if I put it up, it literally just falls down. So I feel like that'll be quite annoying when I wear it. But looks wise, this looks really good and is very extra and glam. Okay, and this is what the rhinestone belt looks like on. I am so happy with it because it is just such a nice belt to jazz up any outfit. The only thing is, its function as a belt isn't that great because I don't really trust like rhinestones to like not snap. I think they'd snap quite easily. So as a belt that you're trying to like really make your pants fit you properly, probably not the best. But strictly from like a fashion perspective, it is so nice and so different from what everyone else owns that I really, really like it. All right, so the last thing in that first package is this right here. When I saw this on the Romwe website, I thought it looked a lot like the Chanel runway skirts, which is why I decided to order it. Okay, I really like this. So this is the skirt. See how it's definitely like a Chanel runway kind of vibes, especially with the embellishments on the pockets here and the tweed. It looks something like you would see on the Chanel runways, but for like not even 1/10 of the price. But it does look good, and these pockets right here are functional pockets, which are rare on female clothing, so I love it. And I'm so excited to try this on, so it would be great if this fits me well. Okay, so here is the Chanel dupe skirt on, and I love it. I think it's a gorgeous dupe, and I think this whole outfit is so cute. The only thing is, I've had to tie it off at the back here with a hair tie, because if I untie it, this skirt is way too big on me, which makes me so sad. I got this in a size small, which is usually my size, but sadly this has just been made to be quite big, which is so disappointing. So I really like how this skirt looks though, apart from that. So I think I might be using my dodgy Annalise sewing skills to try and take it in and make it work, because this is such like a classy skirt. Honestly, I love how it looks. I would say overall this skirt is a win, but the sizing is definitely off, which sucks. And now onto the second package that is so big, but I think it's big because I ordered a few jackets. So let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing that's disappointing is this here. So I'll open it up, and I actually bought this to match with the skirt, but they're obviously different colors, which is really frustrating. But it is this kind of like sweater crop top, and again, I bought this because it looks exactly like the Chanel sweater crop tops that they have, and I just think it's so gorge. But unfortunately, the two colors are completely different. They might still work together, I don't know, we'll have to see. But that sucks that they are different completely. I wonder which one it was that does look different to the photo, because online I thought that they looked similar anyway, so I don't know. But this looks pretty good so far, and I am pretty happy with it. And this is what it looks like. Now I think it looks really nice and it fits really well, but it is so itchy, which is weird because I'm still in the other skirt. And the skirt material is not itchy at all, and yet the sweater is, and it's supposed to be the same material, which makes me think one of them's lying. I don't know which one, but I think this is so itchy and uncomfortable to wear. However, I also do think that it is a great Chanel dupe. Like, I think this looks so nice, so like glam and professional, I'd say, but it's definitely quite itchy and uncomfortable. And again, this seems to be a theme with Romwe clothes. There is no stretch in this whatsoever. Trying to get this on was really difficult because it just wouldn't like stretch. I'm a human, I have shoulders. Trying to get my shoulders through this top was really difficult. So that is definitely a negative with a lot of these clothes actually. A lot of them have zero stretch, which is very frustrating because not only is it hard to get on, but it messes up my makeup. Oh, I'm excited for this one, but I'm nervous that it won't fit me. Okay, this is the next one, and it's already ripped open on both ends because as they close it, they didn't actually close the packaging properly, and this was like half sticking out. So lucky that it came to Australia still. So I'm so excited for this. Now, let me warn you before I open it. If this looks like the photo, it will blind your eyes. It is very extra, so just prepare yourselves, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so this is the jacket that I bought. Oh my lord. So it has a hoodie on it as well, and has like, it's a puffy silver jacket that's kind of cropped, as you can see. This I loved because I thought it was very different and like not many people would have, so I am so excited to try it on. First impressions is that it's quite heavy, so that's good. It means it'll be quite thick. And the inside's also lined with a black fabric, which is good, meaning it'll keep me a lot warmer. So yeah, I love this color and I'm so excited to see what it looks like on. So I look like a tinfoil astronaut. No, this is what the jacket looks like on, and I actually really like it. Not with the hood. I think the hood takes it that little bit too far to where it's like, oh no, you're just wearing alfoil, what are you doing? But I mean, down like this, I think this is so cute. It is really warm, like I'm already breaking a sweat in this jacket. So I think definitely in winter, this is great, especially if I go somewhere like that's actually really cold. I think this would be quite nice, and you definitely won't miss me from a mile away because I stand out. This is the next item. It is a cropped sweater, at least it's meant to be cropped. So when I went to order it, I had a size small, but as I went to buy it, small was sold out, so I had to get a medium, and I loved it so much and how my heart set on it that I was like, I'll just get a medium, and if it's big, it can just be a normal sweater. So this is it. Oh no, it looks good. Oh no, it looks like a medium will fit me better. So this is what it looks like. I just thought it was so cute, especially cropped, and it has a hoodie. Winter is coming in Australia. No, I don't watch Game of Thrones, but winter is coming. So I thought this would be so cute. All right, so next we have this sweater, which looks really good on. However, I am so glad that I got the size medium because getting this on, this bottom part here literally has zero stretch. So getting it over my chest, I like really genuinely struggled. And as such, the hoodie part doesn't stretch either. So all on the inside here has my makeup on it. So definitely, if I was wearing this, I'd have to put this on first before my makeup, which is quite annoying that it doesn't stretch like at all because like it's a sweater, it's meant to be like comfortable, stretchy, and it has no elastic, no give, and no stretch. Looks wise though, I think it looks quite cute. I've just paired it with these pearl jeans from before, and I think it looks really nice, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot, and I'm not going to return it, but it does suck that there's no stretch. Like, yeah, it's pretty annoying. Okay, and this is the lucky last item today. I'm hoping that this looks good because if it does, I'm going to wear it clubbing this weekend, which when you see this video would have been last weekend. So hopefully this looks good. I'm hoping. Okay, but just that there literally looks like my pet cat. So I ordered this fur coat. I think it looks really cute, but this is the only item out of the lot that I think feels very cheaply made. It is very lightweight, and the lining on the inside is pretty dodge. However, it might be one of those things that just feels cheap but doesn't look cheap, I'm hoping. So I think I'm gonna try this on, but design wise, it looks cute. This little cropped fur, I love the fur pattern of it. So yeah, I guess I will try it on and see if it looks as cheap on as it feels. And lucky last, we have this fur coat that I freaking adore. So I'm going clubbing this weekend and I hardly ever go clubbing, so I was like, oh, what do I wear? And I was hoping that both the little black dress and this would look nice so that I could possibly wear this out this weekend. And I am so happy that this fur coat turned out to be good. Because as you guys saw, as I opened it up, I was very suspicious because it is so lightweight, as you can kind of see with my chicken flapping. You can see that the material moves really easily, and the lining on the inside literally looks like costume, like a theater costume or something. It looks like that kind of lining, you know how they use cheaper stuff. But when it's on, it does not look cheap at all. I love this. It's kind of giving me Cruella de Vil vibes, but I'm kind of living for that, so I love it so much. So thank you guys all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this haul, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, since I've been buying like so many clothes lately, I have a lot that I don't really like love or that I'm like not gonna wear. So I'm thinking of doing a way that I could give them to you guys. So I don't know, Poshmark isn't available in Australia because I thought that would be best. But like, would you guys be down for Depop or eBay? Like, just let me know, because it's pointless just me filling up my room with all these clothes that I don't even wear. So I'd love if I could somehow connect with you guys through them. And if you want to see more of my face or some of these clothes in action, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. My links are down below and on the screen right now. And that's it for today's video. I will see you guys next week. Bye!